Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths. Today I am taking class 8th topic which is comparing quantities. Okay, and this is it's a very important topic because we have questions in our competitive exam based on this, whatever the type of exams you take. Okay, so let us start. Before we start, let me introduce the concept which is being used. We have ratio and we have percentage. We have ratio and then we have percentage. Now, what do you mean by ratio? Ratio is when you compare two quantities, okay, and both the quantities they should be in the same unit. Fine. Second thing is they should be, we write them in the lowest form. Whenever we are writing the quantities in the ratio and it is denoted by this symbol. Third is it has no unit in the end, no unit. Percentage means out of 100 and it is shown by this symbol. This is a percentage. So if suppose I say I have 48% students, okay, and this is a percentage of boys in my class. So it means out of 100, I have 48 boys. 48 are the boys. And number of girls, they are going to be 100 minus 48. That is 52. Clear? So that is important thing which is required. Now we'll start with the exercise. Exercise 8.1. So in exercise 8.1, we'll start with question number 1. So here it says speed of a cycle is 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. So here in this question, first important thing that we have to be careful about that both the quantities, they are in the same unit. Here we have speed of cycle, ratio speed of scooter. Fine. So we are comparing and the speed of cycle is 15 km per hour and that of scooter is 20. So we'll just convert, this gives us ratio 4. How do we cancel them in the lowest form? We just cancel with their HCF. So HCF of 15 and 20 is 5. So I'll cancel both the quantities with 5. So this is my lowest form. Okay. Moving to the second part, we have to find the ratio of 5 meter to 10 kilometer. So 5 meter to 10 kilometer means if you write this is 5 meter and this is 10 kilometer. So important part was that they should be in the same unit. They are not in the same unit. So this will be converted in meter. So 1 kilometer is how much? 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 10 kilometer is going to be 10,000. Fine. So we'll take the ratio. This is 5 ratio 10,000 and this gives us 1 ratio 2000. So this is your in the lowest unit and you can say we have both the quantities in the same unit as well. So this was part 1. So I hope you can solve the C part, that is the third part all by yourself. Third part you people can solve yourself. Now I'll take question number 2. It says convert the following ratio to percentage. So 3 ratio 4 we have been given. Okay, now we'll take the second question. Convert the following. Question number 2. Convert the following in the percentage. So this is 3 ratio 4. So how will we write? First of all, we write in the form of fraction. This is 3 upon 4. Now we have to write in the form of percentage. So what we will do, we'll just multiply it by 100. So this is 3 upon 4 into 100. Usually this is 100 percentage. But you know, we don't write in the calculation because that looks very, you can say, disturbing, and then it gets difficult for us that how to handle this percentage in between. So we don't write. Actually, this is 100 upon 100. So upon 100 is like, this is like 100 upon 100, because if you write 100 upon 100, it doesn't matter. And what you do, this upon 100 is written as percentage. We write it as percentage. Now 3 upon 4 into 100. Once you solve, so what do you get? You get 75%. So this is your percentage for part 1. Okay. So now I'll take question number third. So what is this question about? We'll just read the question. It says, question third. Okay. So question third is, what is the question? It says 72% of 25 students are interested in maths. How many are not interested in maths? So here, if you see 72% are the percentage of the student, those who are not interested, and 25 are the total. So here, number of students I will write instead. So number of students, there are how many? Number of students are 25. Fine. So number of percentage of the students interested in maths. So how much percentage of the students, how many percentage of the students are interested in maths? 72%. So percentage of students who are not interested. Okay. This is interested in maths. So not interested in maths. In maths. So how will we find? That gets so simple. You will subtract this 72 out of 100. So that gives you 28%. So 28% of the student, they don't love solving maths. So how many numbers? So number of students we have to find. So number of students are, what we will do, we'll write 28% of 25. Okay. So okay. So 28% of 25. So here, just write this. So this we have to solve. We have done it in class 7 number of times. 28% is upon 100 of means multiply. Rest is our solution. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 4 sevens are 20. So 7 students are not interested in maths. So what we should do, we should write this answer in the box. Once we have done that, the answer should be written in the box. So that is our answer. And you can write the answer statement also. Like 7 students are not interested in maths, like this. Okay. So not interested in maths, like this. So I hope this is clear to you. So in my next video, I'll take the other questions. And you can try the remaining questions by yourself. Any problem, you can write me in the comment box. And stay tuned to my channel until my next video. And we'll meet next time. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.